You are bushing for Malcolm by Kenwood Media, YouTube, Kenwood Sports, TikTok. And we are still in the camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko has appointed new board of directors. Yes, Kumasi Asante Kotoko are appointing new board of directors. Omo best start to omo from next season. Because season we nyina ba na wie nti Osako Kotoko etoto nioma. Appointing mpanyinfo ne mpanyinfo omo be that team na no no matumi around the team no next season. Na di nkunimdi abre Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So omo appointing new board of directors. Omo be hwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko dwumedie. Na ye ka board of directors omo dwumedie bia aye omo di ne say omo say strategic planning or strategic direction of the club. Yes, omo no set strategic direction of the club. The thing say team no enye fa na ye de ko ade na ye de abo team no enye fa na ye mfa nka ode na ye nyin film nti strategy omo strategy as direction of the football club. And now omo dwumedie ni bi so and say ensuring long-term financial sustainability, ensuring long-term financial sustainability, because club and I say omo running football nyina no ni nyina akọ sika to wanya mpanifo bi a omo betumi de omo musika sam atutu yie omo aboabo musika sam ano omo de sika bi ahyehye ha na abo team no atumi ebre yie pa nti omo ensure long-term financial sustainability of the club, so na club no ntumi enko financial bankrupt na omotumi around club ni yie. Omodwumadie ba kono say overseeing club management. Omoya appointment bi say no be team no adwumadie nyina no because Kumasi Asante Kotoko has suffered in these few years. Yentumi win a league for about 2 or 3 seasons or 4 seasons. Yentumi win a league. And it's just not Kotoko. It's so bad. This not Kotoko we used to know. And we hope say this new board of directors, able to do a normal year appointment, the signing. We need players they are ready to sacrifice, give out everything for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This is the kind of signings we need. And you're signing at the end of the season, not 10 players. Then you're signing 15. The 15 a free, not 10 a besham. No. I said the piano is shitting. But we should get players, long-term players at least on better now on 1 season, 2 season, maybe 3 seasons now. The stability, the quality of players we need. No more to be competing in all competitions because say the best sign players. Now at the end of the season, no players na best sign no, 10 esan akọ. The beginning of the season, you asan akọ fa 10 players asan beshema. No, this is not how we run football. Until this time, no Kotoko, we need a strategic signing. Players on to be a club, another club, and I fall into my play for because Kotoko, Elko form no, yes, supporters, yes, we are bread. Kotoko, Elko form no, yes, supporters, yes, we are bread ye papa because Kotoko Kosra, you made the BBI kama, Ghana, any Kumasi as a whole. Until yes, a new board of directors, and I'm to know my year. Now, I'm for Kotoko Embra, glory days we used to know Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But in all this, you go to Richardo Suarez PP, Abraham also making a submission after this appointment. Me and go to Richardo
Pepe Suarez. Pepe.
Abusia penny sabe champo.
Richardo Pepe Suarez the fella man.
Fantastic. Yeni kan more Mediema Sporting Club ya more mabaso.
Nice one.
Wamo emerge as winners of the Ghana Premier League. In the last 5 years, Mediema Aji League ni mienu. In the last 5 years, Omaji League ni mienu. Ya more mabaso. They've done well.
Sure.
Omo the most deserving team and that's what league, you know.
Yeah.
Over the games na ya bono Mediema na akere se omo na just ne fata omo.
Fantastic.
And omo deserving winners. Congratulations to Mediema Sporting Club.
Nice one.
Congratulations to the president of Mediema, Mr. Moses Ama Parker. And an impenifu in Abuja. One abomoden pa. And once again, Yamo Mabasu Ewo League na omaji ede esi wonum ena so no.
Nice one.
I'm just playing some jump.
Richard Pepe shall arrest the fella man.
Asante Kotoko mpanyimfo ayo munya opportunity be serve club no. Ya na me ntibi mu ase observe. Serious ya me ntibi mu ase o. On say efisa Dr. Che board ana ne CEO ya na mponsa administration no ekoe no. Mensia Palace solely a finance Kotoko.
Yeah.
For 3 years.
Yeah.
During sa infemi na Mensia Palace a finance Asante Kotoko no. Of course, obi a finance of the you need to prepare your budget.
Yes.
You come and defend your budget, and then resources are made available to you. Then you come and account for resources near the amount.
Yeah.
That is the system. Nana Pinkra Kosiewa, and then the IMC was a penina or morane. And this system, no, Arania until a new board was appointed.
Yeah.
New board na buy no, a clear cratane appointed of no. A kind say, Jumadie no. Say, man, said Jumadia no odino, and a board no. Yet among. What that meant was that the financing aspect of Kotoko and that mention so this say about board no so.
Yes.
The Pinyaka say in the last Mamin check date, I want to be very sure of the data publication, but I think on the 27th of February. And I'm say Kotoko new body one appointment a buy if my memory serves me right, 27th of February, and I was a new appointment a buy. Now, Osha Kratana, I accompanied the appointment of the board now. Me say, spell out why they've been appointed and what they've been appointed to do. It was in there.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Mensia de send munyam no ma wo. Na wo hwe na bia mu oduma wompa. Ese one the same appointing authority no. Ekodi nko ba me de am ka kire wo say de minim I obaga people do lobby for this job.
Yes.
I am not saying it specifically on Mr. James or Sir Brown, Joe Shop. I'm not saying it on Mr. Kwesi or Sir Ofori, Vice Chairman of the Board of Oil Rockshore, Penny Odano. Mr. Kofi Amwa Aban, board board member and founder of Rigworld Group. And you muntina make about Mr. Kotoko, Juma de Minimsa, Brenny Abribiano. People do lobby for it.
Yes.
I can't say for a fact if these honorable men lobbied for the job. Now, I'm saying, as a Jumana or Bemsor woman ya monkai. Hey, me dear Diazim Cray. Oh, yeah, will be saying a paper among the pressure to almost meaning pressure. And no Asante Kotoko every Kumasi Anopa and a Kobo be chem no buy. Kotoko free Kumasi Anopa no. Saturday near Canasa grow. Me hear story in the or filler time, Saturday.
Yeah.
Obi afi pepe. Oh yeah, sure. Kotoko there. Na me say na ya na mo jom say. Yeah, no, we take pride in spreading untruths about Kotoko. There be a mekasa bi apanyi. Obi wo ha de onya ne say Kotoko sha na ni age. For all you know, me say Kotoko sha manage. Na me dia me say YouTube, am ye Kotoko ho adwuma me channel ba ko dedicated to Kotoko. Etime no Kotoko sha, me say nya sika gu mboto mu. And you think I would deliberately peddle falsehood about Kotoko? There be.
Not at all.
Minya Kotoko no mfa so pa no kra ye mfa nsie. One of my YouTube channels, I am dedicated to covering Asante Kotoko.
Nice one.
Enti tim na koyi a se Kotoko e sha ho. Busa Cameroon. Busa China. We have video na post to a. By 30 minutes, okay, go ahead and be an enamel.
Nice one.
I YouTube a woman nimuno. Ubie YouTube studio was a balu be papai video no balu papai. na say YouTube for congratulate the video we be ma escapa tie nya sika se ebotom.
Nice one.
And when I said that Kotoko Ebeko Sunday, no, I knew what I was talking about. And indeed, Kotoko Free Kumasi, Kwasiada, and a Kobo born. I was yamming Casa until a second got 3-1 because born a dear. I wore Omamba TV Swan of Pam Catcher Kobelusu.
I said we last week.
I was studio, I'm Catcher Kobelusu. But standards are standards. And the standard at Kotoko, the minimum standard at Kotoko is when there is a game, we travel a night before the game. We go, we rest, we play the game. Nah, you're done here. Kotoko, Echo, Osiada. Hey, can anyone? Meaning, sir, I am sitting they work under the directions of the board. Kratana, appointee board no amaya. They work directly under the board. And when you show the board, you look like I said, Municipal Campana, I'm not going to for 3 years now, I'm here. Now, Echo Danoma. But the minister established fast is a team no echo. Now it is not the standard of Kotoko. Mabeka chabu sen kasa go en kasa. Tire kan ye kana. Yes me kana dia awada kakra. So, asem ne kai kana. I don't know what the problem is as a municipality between the board and the IMC. And Japan, you say, Sasum, you know, a contaqua. Yane, and Sinzano, and a bre. Sasum, you know, so more contaqua. And Sinzano, woman a bre.
Yes.
Ko ba ko kra krim ba ko hwe foma se ba wo so kwayem nyina mo bia de bibiasi wo kwayem wo
From where me from kakra.
we kra yi fo no ayi omo ye research no I am ayi quick bomb omo mra ne omo challenge kakra bia na ya no ayi elephant bia yi ba ko hwe fom na mse de quick here bar am se pa Isabel
Richard do Pepe is the fella.
kata ni ni
Nice one.
Mansha Palace is pleased to announce that His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Setu II Asante Hene has appointed a new board of directors for Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. The chairman of the board is Mr. James Osei Brown, Chief Executive Officer of Joshop Construction, with Mr. Kwesi Osei Ofori, Chief Executive of Rockshore, as the vice chairman. Other appointees are Mr. Kofi Amwa Aban, founder and chief executive of Rigworld Group. The new team is expected to assume the statutory oversight responsibility of the board immediately.
Yeah.
However, the interim management committee will continue to perform the management duties until the end of the 2025-2026 season. A clear paragraph 4. The new team is expected to assume the statutory oversight responsibility of the board immediately. And the definition, we want to define statutory oversight responsibility near the I'm going to take decisions. I'm going to finance a club. Hey, Bia, finance Kotoko is not part of the old person. Oh, yeah. I didn't know. I know what you're saying. See any idea? See, Cabby, and Pacho. Hey, you dear. Pam no channel.
No animation.
No, Jim Boko. Now, I just told me, yeah. I'm saying, I had dinner Kotoko every Kumasi Sunday morning. I could be him. Me Pacho, this is not to say, sir. Kotoko place your man, san. Okay, I go with my san. And ya no ntiri ye sha o mo 3-1 no. Mr. Mojevo, muntiri ye. Pepe nka se Kotoko efri Kumasi. Anopa no ko ye ntiri ye sha Kotoko dabi. That's not what I'm saying. I am only establishing a fact. I am only establishing a fact. Say, Kotoko Echo Sandiano, but something that is not the norm at Kotoko today. My view, I'm just pressure my jump.
Richard Pepe Charles the fella man.
Kotoko Mranjene Kobo Bono.
Nti abusuafo when some Richard Suarez Pepe and the two dwa. Na we hope say this board of directors will bring the best out of Kumasi Asante. Thank you for watching my video. Share, like, subscribe. Any updates biya no Kotoko camp no. Me mfa nka me din na bebe. Madam Asibe Binyame Shram.